The ocean. It covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. What lies hidden beneath those endless blue waves remains one of the greatest mysteries of Earth. From strange structures that resemble ancient cities to inexplicable anomalies that seem almost alien, the ocean floor holds secrets that defy logic, science, and history. In this episode of Mysteries Uncovered, we dive into the deep unknown, where ancient legends, lost civilizations, and unexplained phenomena come together. These are the 5 bizarre discoveries hidden beneath the ocean, mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew about our planet as past, and perhaps its connection to something far beyond it. In 2011, a group of Swedish treasure hunters scanning the seafloor of the Baltic Sea stumbled upon something that would change their lives. A strange, circular object, roughly 60 meters wide, resting 300 feet below the surface. On sonar, it looked eerily artificial. Smooth curves, straight lines, and a structure that seemed more like a crashed spacecraft than a rock. Some even compared it to the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. But when divers attempted to investigate, their electronic equipment malfunctioned near the site. Cameras cut out, compasses spun wildly, and sonar went dead. The anomaly's surface was described as metallic, covered in strange grooves and patterns, as if shaped by intelligent design. Geologists suggested it could be a glacial deposit or a natural rock formation sculpted by ice, but others weren't so sure. Why did electrical systems fail near it? Why did the surrounding seafloor appear scorched, as if something had crash-landed long ago? Over a decade later, the Baltic Sea Anomaly remains unexplained, a silent enigma at the bottom of the ocean. Whether it's a natural wonder, a lost artifact of an ancient civilization, or something extraterrestrial, its mystery continues to baffle scientists and spark imaginations worldwide. Off the coast of Japan, as Yonaguni Island, lies one of the most incredible underwater discoveries ever made. A massive stone structure, perfectly shaped with terraces, staircases, and pillars. Divers exploring the site in the 1980s couldn't believe what they were seeing. It looked like a sunken city, complete with roads, platforms, and walls that stretched nearly 100 meters across. Some believed it to be the remains of a prehistoric civilization, lost when sea levels rose after the last ice age, around 12,000 years ago. If true, Yonaguni would rewrite human history, proving advanced architecture existed thousands of years earlier than we thought possible. Skeptics, however, argue it's nothing more than natural sandstone formations fractured by tectonic movement. But certain features, like right-angled corners, perfectly leveled steps, and what appear to be carvings resembling animal figures, are difficult to explain away as coincidence. To this day, no definitive answer exists. Was the Yonaguni monument a temple, an ancient port city, or just an incredible trick of nature? Whatever it is, this underwater labyrinth continues to spark debate, wonder, and curiosity. A reminder that our oceans may be holding forgotten chapters of human civilization. In 2001, while mapping the ocean floor between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula, researchers made an astonishing discovery: a massive area filled with geometric stone structures that resembled pyramids, roads, and circular plazas. Sonar scans revealed patterns too organized to be random. Some structures measured over 200 meters across, larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza. Could this be the remains of an ancient city swallowed by the sea thousands of years ago? Some theorists quickly linked the site to Atlantis, the legendary lost civilization described by Plato. The idea of an advanced culture vanishing beneath the waves after a cataclysmic flood has long fascinated explorers and historians alike. However, despite the excitement, access to the site became restricted, and official follow-up expeditions were halted. The Cuban government's secrecy has only deepened the mystery. Are we looking at ruins of a forgotten civilization, or simply misunderstood geological formations? No one knows for sure because the area remains off-limits to most researchers. For now, the underwater pyramids of Cuba rest undisturbed in silence, a lost city waiting for rediscovery. Deep under Antarctica's frozen surface lies Lake Vostok, sealed beneath more than 2 miles of ice for over 15 million years. When Russian scientists finally drilled into it, they expected nothing but sterile water. Instead, they found something shocking: unknown microbes and bacteria that didn't match any life forms on Earth at its surface. These organisms were thriving in total darkness, extreme pressure, and near-freezing temperatures. The discovery changed everything we thought we knew about life's limits. Some scientists believe these microbes evolved separately for millions of years, untouched by the rest of the planet. Others suggest they could offer clues to life on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, where similar conditions exist beneath frozen crusts. If life can survive in such extreme isolation here on Earth, could alien oceans in our solar system harbor their own hidden ecosystems? The mystery of Lake Vostok reminds us that even on our own planet, there are worlds within worlds, and that the line between earthly and extraterrestrial life might be thinner than we imagine. In the crystal-clear waters of the Bahamas lies a strange underwater formation called the Bimini Road, a perfectly straight stretch of massive limestone blocks extending nearly half a kilometer. To some, it looks like the remains of an ancient highway, possibly leading to the mythical city of Atlantis. The formation was discovered in 1968. Coincidentally, the same year American psychic Edgar Cayce predicted that Atlantis would rise again near Bimini. The stones appear carefully placed, almost as if part of a grand architectural structure. Divers claim to have found other formations nearby, circular platforms and even what seem like columns and walls. Scientists argue that the Bimini Road is simply a result of natural erosion and the fracturing of limestone along straight lines. Yet the precise arrangement and right angles are hard to ignore. Is the Bimini Road the final trace of a civilization lost to time, or a natural phenomenon that just happens to mimic human design? Like many ocean mysteries, the truth lies buried under sand, sea, and speculation. From the Baltic Sea's metallic anomaly to Japan's mysterious underwater temples, one thing is certain: the ocean holds more secrets than we can possibly imagine. These discoveries challenge our understanding of history, geology, and life itself. Maybe these are natural formations sculpted by time and pressure, or maybe they're echoes of forgotten worlds, civilizations erased by the sea, waiting to be rediscovered. Until we truly explore the depths, we can only wonder how many more uncovered mysteries lie beneath the waves.